Welcome to Talking Bradford, speech, language and communication support for the Bradford district. You can help your child with talking and communication. Talking Bradford is a new step-by-step guide for parents and carers. You can find everything in one place. Talking Bradford brings together everything you need to know about speech, language and communication skills. Go to the FYI website and click on the Talking Bradford guide to get started. So why is talking to your child so important? It makes them feel happy. It helps them make friends. Talking helps children learn and sets them nicely up for school. Talking to your bump and your child from an early age is a great way to give them the best start for life. There's lots you can do to help. Find fun activities to try at home with BBC Tiny Happy People and NHS Start for Life, and so much more. Drop into a play and learn session at your local family hub, or talk to their friendly staff. Remember that many children with speech difficulties can catch up with the right support, and you might be the right person to give them that support. And what if you do need more help? The guide also tells you how to get extra support in Bradford if you're worried about your child's talking or communication. Give your child the best start for life.